Being able to share how you really feel without losing your cool and sharing your point of view is what's going to make the project better. Emotions are the fundamental part of being human. And the word emotional has such a negative connotation, but all emotional means is you feel things deeply, and you can feel things deeply and express them respectfully and professionally. Being capable of having emotions is fundamental to our humanity. And it's how an individual manages and expresses their emotions that determines their level of professionalism. Fact, having emotions is what makes us human. Myth 3, sharing emotion is a sign of weakness, right? You've probably all heard the term. Work is a place for business, for numbers, not for touchy-feely things, not a place to discuss how people feel. It's a place to come in, do your work, and leave everything else outside. I mean, it's not personal, it's just business. Thou shalt not bring feelings into meetings, conversations, or decision-making. I mean, come on, people. We're trying to run a business here. Bull crap, right? Sharing your emotions when socially appropriate to do so, can be a sign of strength. And the most effective and strongest leaders don't hide their emotions. They leverage them to build trust, strengthen relationships, and engage your employees. Demonstrating your vulnerability, speaking your truth, and sharing with others how you really feel is your number one superpower. Fact, you can be emotional and strong. They're not mutually exclusive.